بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
إذا وقعت الواقعة
When the occurrence occurs,
ليس لوقعتها كاذبة
there is at its occurrence no denial.
خافضة رافعة
It will bring down some and raise up others.
إذا رجت الأرض رجا
When the earth is shaken with convulsion,
وبست الجبال بسا
and the mountains are broken down, crumbling,
فكانت هباء منبثا
and become dust dispersing.
وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة
And you become of three kinds.
فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة
Then the companions of the right, what are the companions of the right?
وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة
And the companions of the left, what are companions of the left?
والسابقون السابقون
And the forerunners, the forerunners.
أولئك المقربون
Those are the ones brought near to Allah
في جنات النعيم
in the gardens of pleasure.
ثلة من الأولين
A large company of the former peoples
وقليل من الآخرين
and a few of the later peoples
على سرر موضونة
on thrones woven with ornament,
متكئين عليها متقابلين
reclining on them, facing each other.
يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون
There will circulate among them young boys made eternal,
بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين
with vessels, pitchers, and a cup of wine from a flowing spring.
لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون
No headache will they have therefrom, nor will they be intoxicated.
وفاكهة مما يتخيرون
And fruit of what they select,
ولحم طير مما يشتهون
and the meat of fowl from whatever they desire.
وحور عين
And for them are fair women with large beautiful eyes,
كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون
the likenesses of pearls well protected,
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون
as reward for what they used to do.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما
They will not hear therein ill speech or commission of sin,
إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما
only a saying, peace, peace.
وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين
The companions of the right, what are the companions of the right?
في سدر مخضود
They will be among lote trees with thorns removed,
وطلح منضود
and banana trees layered with fruit,
وظل ممدود
and shade extended,
وماء مسكوب
and water poured out,
وفاكهة كثيرة
and fruit abundant and varied,
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة
neither limited to season nor forbidden,
وفرش مرفوعة
and upon beds raised high.
إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء
Indeed, we have produced the women of paradise in a new creation,
فجعلناهن أبكارا
and made them virgins,
عربا أترابا
devoted to their husbands and of equal age,
لأصحاب اليمين
for the companions of the right, who are
ثلة من الأولين
a company of the former peoples
وثلة من الآخرين
and a company of the later peoples.
وأصحاب الشمال ما أصحاب الشمال
And the companions of the left, what are the companions of the left?
في سموم وحميم
They will be in scorching fire and scalding water,
وظل من يحموم
and a shade of black smoke,
لا بارد ولا كريم
neither cool nor beneficial.
إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك مترفين
Indeed, they were before that indulging in affluence,
وكانوا يصرون على الحنث العظيم
and they used to persist in the great violation.
وكانوا يقولون أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون
And they used to say, when we die and become dust and bones, are we indeed to be resurrected?
أوآباؤنا الأولون
And our forefathers as well?
قل إن الأولين والآخرين
Say, O Muhammad, indeed, the former and later peoples
لمجموعون إلى ميقات يوم معلوم
are to be gathered together for the appointment of a known day.
ثم إنكم أيها الضالون المكذبون
Then indeed you, O those astray who are deniers,
لآكلون من شجر من زقوم
will be eating from trees of zakum,
فمالئون منها البطون
and filling with it your bellies,
فشاربون عليه من الحميم
and drinking on top of it from scalding water,
فشاربون شرب الهيم
and will drink as the drinking of thirsty camels.
هذا نزلهم يوم الدين
That is their accommodation on the day of recompense.
نحن خلقناكم فلولا تصدقون
We have created you, so why do you not believe?
أفرأيتم ما تمنون
Have you seen that which you emit?
أأنتم تخلقونه أم نحن الخالقون
Is it you who creates it, or are we the creator?
نحن قدرنا بينكم الموت وما نحن بمسبوقين
We have decreed death among you, and we are not to be outdone.
على أن نبدل أمثالكم وننشئكم فيما لا تعلمون
In that we will change your likenesses and produce you in that form which you do not know.
ولقد علمتم النشأة الأولى فلولا تذكرون
And you have already known the first creation. So will you not remember?
أفرأيتم ما تحرثون
And have you seen that seed which you sow?
أأنتم تزرعونه أم نحن الزارعون
Is it you who makes it grow, or are we the grower?
لو نشاء لجعلناه حطاما فظلتم تفكهون If
we willed, we could make it dry debris, and you would remain in wonder.
إنا لمغرمون
Saying, indeed, we are now in debt.
بل نحن محرومون
Rather, we have been deprived.
أفرأيتم الماء الذي تشربون
And have you seen the water that you drink?
أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون
Is it you who brought it down from the clouds, or is it we who bring it down?
لو نشاء جعلناه أجاجا فلولا تشكرون
If we willed, we could make it bitter. So why are you not grateful?
أفرأيتم النار التي تورون
And have you seen the fire that you ignite?
أأنتم أنشأتم شجرتها أم نحن المنشئون
Is it you who produced its tree, or are we the producer?
نحن جعلناها تذكرة ومتاعا للمقوين
We have made it a reminder and provision for the travelers.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم
So exalt the name of your Lord, the most great.
فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم
Then I swear by the setting of the stars.
وإنه لقسم لو تعلمون عظيم
And indeed, it is an oath, if you could know, most great.
إنه لقرآن كريم
Indeed, it is a noble Quran
في كتاب مكنون
in a register well protected.
لا يمسه إلا المطهرون
None touch it except the purified.
تنزيل من رب العالمين.
It is a revelation from the Lord of the worlds.
أفبهذا الحديث أنتم مدهنون.
Then is it to this statement that you are indifferent?
وتجعلون رزقكم أنكم تكذبون.
And make the thanks for your provision that you deny the provider?
فلولا إذا بلغت الحلقوم.
Then why, when the soul at death reaches the throat,
وأنتم حينئذ تنظرون.
and you are at that time looking on,
ونحن أقرب إليه منكم ولكن لا تبصرون.
and our angels are nearer to him than you, but you do not see.
فلولا إن كنتم غير مدينين.
Then why do you not, if you are not to be recompensed?
ترجعونها إن كنتم صادقين.
Bring it back, if you should be truthful.
فأما إن كان من المقربين.
And if the deceased was of those brought near to Allah,
فروح وريحان وجنة نعيم.
then for him is rest and bounty and a garden of pleasure.
وأما إن كان من أصحاب اليمين.
And if he was of the companions of the right,
فسلام لك من أصحاب اليمين.
then the angels will say, Peace for you, you are from the companions of the right.
وأما إن كان من المكذبين الضالين.
But if he was of the deniers who were astray,
فنزل من حميم.
then for him is accommodation of scalding water,
وتصلية جحيم.
and burning in hell fire.
إن هذا لهو حق اليقين.
Indeed, this is the true certainty.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
So exalt the name of your Lord, the most great.